Hello there, welcome to Tereteknik. We have this beautiful car today. This is the Audi Q5 with the MIB system. Here you can see we have removed its 8.2 inches original factory screen and installed a 12.3 Android head unit with Snapdragon processor. It's a very beautiful and high definition screen. You can see the quality of the screen pixels, very beautiful. First of all, in the screen we have the in the car has already everything that is required. Like it has the cluster with the digital cluster, with navigation, with the Carplay, everything it has, but not the Android function. So we replaced its head unit with the Android. So here's the screen that we have removed original and installed the new one with Android functions. First of all, we have navigations. This navigation is like Google Maps that you can use in your daily life for live traffic and up-to-date traffic information. Then we have music. Here we have some music files. So we can use both steering wheel buttons or this knob to increase or decrease the volume. Then we have, if you go to the home menu, we have the next tab, video. We can watch video as well while driving. So this is the big screen. It's very beautiful resolution as well, so you can just check the quality of the display. And here is some clips of the Ant-Man. We will go again with the next feature. We have this phone link. This phone link is the Apple CarPlay, Android Auto. Both are completely wireless. Right now my iPhone is connected here, so if you have an iPhone you can connect your iPhone. If you have an Android device you can connect Android Auto. So both have special features for wireless. We have this CarPlay. Here in the CarPlay we have all the applications plus this split screen for navigation and now playing. Right now it's on music, but we can use like Swedish radio, phone calls and all other features. So first of all we have this mobile phone. That's my phone that has all the necessary phone calls history, phone history. Plus we have music, we have Apple Maps. Here's the Apple's original maps. Here you can see we are at Sollentuna right now. That's the shop address. We have now playing messages, car, going back to the Android menu, car option. We have podcast, audiobooks, calendar, settings. We have then Easy Park. We have like some other Google Maps player, SR Play, Swedish radio. Lots of applications. We can use the touch screen. From factory it has no touch screen, but right now you can see it has a very reflexive responsible touch screen. Then again we can use iDrive. Here you can see my iDrive is working as well on the whole screen. If for example I go to the car, here iDrive is working on the home menu as well, so you can just check the animations of the original, same like OEM style. Here it shows like different animations while traveling on these screens, thumbnails. You can see here is the manager, file manager, browser, applications. So then again if we go back, like on the home menu we have my phone connected from here. This is the car info. Car info is, for example, this is the original car information, original menu of the car. Here you can see it's the original menu of the Audi Q5. If I tap with touch, so it will shift back to the Android. Then we have weather application, we have settings, we have some DVR options. You can connect to DVR as well. It's an aftermarket ADAS DVR functions. Right now it's not connected, but we can connect this one as well. Then we have this cool feature for like dashboards. So it's connected with my car RPM, so you can see while driving it is showing the kilometers as well. So you can change some little bit colors. So here you can see we have 2-3 colors. It is showing door information as well. Door information is actually showing here, not here. We can check this later on. Then we have I think it's not available in this car, the door information, although the CAN bus is correctly setting in the setting is correctly selected. Then here we have file manager, so we can copy, move, adjust files. Then we have like browser. We have more applications. Here are the some other applications that are pre-installed from factory. Here we have like settings, Play Store, Google Maps, assistant. We can like browse Chrome from Chrome. We can download any kind of application from Play Store. We can use YouTube and other applications we can install. So that's the video for today. Here we have some more shortcuts. If you want any questions, if you want the screen, you can contact us or you can check on our website. If you have any other questions related to this screen or any other screen, if you want to upgrade the multimedia or any type of coding you need, you can contact us in the description below. I will provide all the contact informations. So that's the video for today. If you see you next time with another video. Bye bye.